Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel, Nicki Styles Her Curves. I am Nicki, and today we have a new different type of video on my channel. So we are going to be heading to the Cowboy Carter Beyoncé tour. We are going to one of the LA shows, and I've decided to give myself extra work because I didn't really find any pieces that were giving what I needed to give, and I like to be a little bit creative, and so I decided to actually make some shorts. So we are going to go on the journey together of getting ready for the Cowboy Carter tour. So I'm actually going to start with a little tutorial on the DIY shorts, and then we'll go to LA, reconnect, do our makeup, hair, and pull the outfit together. And so this is going to be a nice little journey. I will also have timestamps on the screen, so if you're just looking for the tutorial, then you can go there. But if you want to enjoy the vibes, make some shorts, get our hair, makeup, and everything done for the show, then you will watch the entire video. If this is your first time watching my channel, I focus mainly on curvy girl fashion, lifestyle, travel, beauty, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So if that is your thing, then you definitely want to click the subscribe button down below. Also, if you would like to see pictures from the concert, if you would like outfit of the days, get ready with me's, and all of the things, you will follow me over on Instagram as well as TikTok. I post almost every day, and you definitely don't want to miss a thing. Before we get into anything, let me go ahead and give you guys an idea of the inspo for the shorts. So I found this video over on TikTok, and I was super inspired, and I decided that I wanted to try to recreate that for the Cowboy Carter tour. Only difference is that my gems rhinestones are going to be red, silver, and blue. So let's start off with the materials. The first thing that you are going to need is either some jeans or some shorts. I really wanted some extremely dark shorts, and I couldn't find any shorts. So we're actually going to turn these trousers that I found on clearance in Target for $10.50. We're going to cut these into a pair of shorts, but obviously if you want to, you can just find the pants that you want. So if you want jeans, you can find jeans. If you want shorts, you can find shorts. So this is just an extra step for me because I wasn't finding shorts that were dark enough, and these are. The next thing that you're going to need is the jewels, the rhinestones. So I actually got mine from Shein just because it was way more affordable. But if you don't have time to wait for shipping from Shein, because that will take like, 2 or 3 weeks, if you need it in like 2 days, stuff like that, then you can also get it on Amazon. So I will put links down below for the exact ones that I got, and I will put links down below for comparable ones from Amazon. Of course, the cost on Amazon is going to be more, but if you want faster shipping, it is what it is. So the name of this item is a rhinestone chain, and it comes in different sizes and different lengths. Based on the tutorial that I watched, he recommended using the 3mm, and I believe that that is the size of the rhinestone. So if you want smaller, then you can go smaller to like 2. But I think the 3mm is a good size so that the glitter really shines. So you can use a white fabric pencil, or I believe that this is supposed to be kind of like eyeliner, but it is white. I know that NYX also has like a jumbo pencil. Not sure how that would work, but you could definitely give it a try. But you need a white pencil. You also need fabric glue. So I got the E6000 Fabric Fused Extreme Stretch. This is what it looks like. I believe I got this on Amazon, but it's also, I'm sure, available on Walmart and things of that nature, Michael's, Joann's, The last thing that you need are either a pair of scissors, or if you have something that can properly cut the jewels, then if you have any tools that are sharp and they're good for cutting and you don't want to use scissors, then you can do that as well. So those are all of the supplies that we need to begin the process. Now, I will say that we may end up in different locations because this is going to be a bit of a tedious process, and I'm actually going on a brand trip tomorrow, and it's basically midnight. So I think that we're gonna just start off step 1, which is marking the dots all over the pants. You'll see what I mean, but I think we're gonna start off that, and then we're gonna go to the brand trip, and when we have downtime during the brand trip, I'm gonna add the jewels. Y'all pray for me. I'm tired. I have to wake up in a few hours, but Beyoncé is in a few days and I'm not ready, so I gotta get ready. If you're looking for outfit ideas of things that are already made and you want something to wear for the Cowboy Carter tour, I did also create a video with a haul with a bunch of outfit ideas, so you can definitely check that out. I'll link that below. For the first step, I went ahead and cut my pants into shorts. I found some shorts that I liked the length. I laid them on top of my pants, and then I basically traced over the top, and I feel like these are perfect. They're not showing any cheeks, and I love that they're a dark navy color. Next up, we're gonna use our white pencil and either a ruler or a measuring tape, and we are going to mark these dots 1 inch apart. So every dot is 1 inch apart across. Then I measure up and down 1 inch and then stagger the dots. Do not put them one on top of each other, just stagger them to the left and the right. Now it's time for bed. Now we're on the brand trip. It's 1 in the morning and we're doing DIY projects. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your measuring tape and you're gonna measure 3 inches, and then you are going to snip the rhinestone chain, and you're gonna do that over and over and over until all of it is cut up, or until you feel like you have enough for your shorts. For me to do my shorts, just the front only, I feel like 1 roll of each color was actually enough. I did buy 2 rolls of each just in case, but I feel like 1 roll was just enough. Obviously, if you have pants, then you're gonna need more rhinestone chain, or if you're gonna be doing the back as well. So here you're going to put down your glue. I went all the way across 1 row and then I added the chain. I recommend you start from the bottom, stick the chain where the glue is, and that's it. Okay guys, so it's time to get ready. So we're gonna go ahead, put on some Cowboy Carter music to vibe off with, and we're gonna do our makeup, and then I will check back in with you.
This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this, I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies, tell them I woke up like this, I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I know when you were little girls, you dreamt of being in my world. Don't forget it, don't forget it. Respect that. Bow down, bitches. I took some time to live my life, but don't think I'm just his little wife. Don't get it twisted, get it twisted. This my shit. Bow down, bitches. 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 H-Town, bitches. H-Town, bitches. I'm so proud, bow down, bitches.
H-Town, coming down. I'm coming down, dripping candy on the ground.
H-Town, coming down.
On that, this diamond, my diamond.
Okay guys, this is the finished makeup look. Face is beat, and hopefully it's going to last all day long because I put a lot of setting spray. Now it's time for the outfit. Okay guys, so this is the outfit that we came up with. I absolutely love how these shorts came out. Let's get into the details. So this top is from Fashion Nova Curve. I'll have all the links below. This jacket is from Ashley Stewart, and I got it in a size 12. My shorts, we already went over that. I made them myself. My shades are some Bottega dupes from Amazon. My hat has this beautiful eagle on it, and it is from a Fashion Nova. My earrings are from Shein. They're quite old, but if they're still available, I will be sure to link them down in the description box for you guys so that you can check it out. My bag is this clear star bag. It is also from Shein, might also be available on Amazon. I'll have that link for you. My fan is from Amazon and it is amazing quality. It definitely makes that sound. The boots are old from Fashion to Figure. The fragrance combo is Ellis Brooklyn Sand Body Mist. It smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, the beach, like vacation. And then over top of the body mist, we're gonna go in with the YSL Libre. I got this from Macy's and I will have it linked down below for you guys. It smells really good, long lasting, and I love it. Okay guys, it's time to head to the concert. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I hope that you really love this outfit. If you need any outfit inspiration, make sure that you check out the video where I created quite a few outfits for you to give you some ideas on what you can wear to the Cowboy Carter concert. Comment 3 red hearts if you enjoyed this look. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel down below. Also, make sure that you stay tuned because I will be vlogging the experience and you definitely don't want to miss that. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.